Hello coders, welcome back to our Wednesday mini project series. This is our third Wednesday practice project. Let's practice together. Let's see what I learned this Wednesday. This Wednesday we have only two projects because I am busy with some other stuff. But don't worry, we will speed up our upcoming Wednesday practice project. As you see, we have only two projects. First one is image slider and second one is an image cursor, or may I can say expanding image slider. These are the simple and easy to code. First one is an image slider. Let's see how it's work. Now it's time to see the code of this image slider. If you see, there is a section ID name image slider. In this image slider, we have a container div class name slider. Inside this slider container, we have a div class named slideshow. Inside this slideshow, we have four div with same class name called slide, and additionally two anchor tags for previous arrow and next arrow. Now move to the CSS. The CSS part of this image slider is very basic, all about positions, relative and absolute, and styling and all that stuff. That's it. Let's move to the JS part. There is a function name called moveSlide where I define a parameter direction. In this function, I use two fundamental operations. First one is arithmetic operator and second one is comparison operator. And additionally, I use else statement. So the logic of this else statement or condition is when current slide becomes negative, suppose if the user tries to go back beyond the first slide, mean from index 0 to the -1, the navigation jump to the last slide. Same for the last image. If the user exceed the slide length, the loop back to the first slide or image, which completing a circular or infinite navigation system. That's it for this image slider. Second one is a image cursor. The mostly work of this image cursor is based on CSS and using little bit of JS. Let me show you how it's work. In CSS, we use flexbox to shrink and expand images on click and use JavaScript to remove active state from each card and add active state only to the clicked image, calling a function named remove active classes. There is one more interesting thing I found in this code is if I remove 2-3 line of code in CSS, the animation of the image cursor will change without adding any other code. Let me show you. If I remove align item center and justify content center from div class name container, the animation of the image cursor changed. Let me show you on browser. You can see this type of animation in Canva hacks on Instagram. That's it for this Wednesday. I hope you find these Wednesday practice project helpful to your programming journey. If you want the breakdowns and many interesting concepts of these projects and many more other resources and any type of help regarding coding, you can join my Discord server. See you next Wednesday. Keep coding, keep learning.